Hi there, Dave here with a video about changing the look or feel of a web page for the Oceanside Open. And so I'm going to go ahead and start with a login as me, and I'm going to go to the appearance and themes. So that's where we change the look and feel, by going straight to appearance and themes, and then we'll get to the page that we want to later. So once again, we go to appearance and themes, and then inside there's a customize button. So we want to hit customize down here, and this will allow us to customize what we need. Now, Shapely is the theme that controls where things are placed. And we can control Shapely by selecting the area of the theme that we want to control. So let's say instead of having this information over here, the text here, we want to have the picture on the top and this below it. So first we want to select the area of the theme that we're going to control, and then this tells us what we can do with it down here. Now, what we can do with it is we can change the position of the image. Right now the image is on the right, which places the text here on the left. So if, for instance, if we want to have the text on the bottom, that means we would place the image on the top. And so if we do this, it will give us a preview over here. Now we haven't published the change, so no change has actually been made. But this is what it would look like with the image on the top and the text below. Yeah, I don't like it that way, so I'm not going to make any changes. Now, we also might want to change some other attributes of this particular section. While this is selected, there's another attribute down at the bottom that we'd like to be able to select, which is like the CSS for that particular section. That's the Cascade Style Sheet information for that. But as a matter of fact, we can't just get to the CSS for that particular piece. So what we have to do is we have to go back to our Oceanside Open main entry point. And if we go back to our customize button and we hit customize here, we'll bring up the same page, but we didn't select the heading, so all of a sudden the basic information is available over here. So if we wanted to override some Cascade Style Sheet information, we could do that right here, and we can see that this is the CSS that's associated with this position here, and we could go ahead and override that CSS over here. Once we liked it, we could go ahead and publish. So I'm not a CSS expert, and so I'm not going to do much except show you how to get to it. Take care.